I think some works, okay, some job are just calling. Yeah, I think you must be called to do this kind of work, because last weekend, we went for just a mere hustle, yeah, in one of these schools, primary school. Yeah, there's the law school, where we have kids from the PP to, I think, grade 3 or 4, grade 3. So there's this one old woman, the way she was interacting with the kids, they saw how, I think it's just a calling, because, man, first, she looks so grown up, but know what she is doing, the kids are just loving it. I'll share with you the clip. Yeah, and they were singing a song like the old man of Kajiado, we in Kajiado, so it's the old man of Kajiado, something like that. And it was absolute amazing. Yeah, you should check the videos and tell me what you think about this great woman, because I think she deserves to be given the Teacher of the Year, an award as the best Teacher of the Year. Yeah, see the video. So these are our weekend hustle. Hey, you. This is the entrance. This one is the entrance. Kuja unasumbua sana. Kuja. Si umekuwa huko? Mbona umetoka huko na kuja hapa? Ingilia hapa. Good boy. Funga. Hey, hii ni stima bana, msinini huku sawa? Wow! Haya. Ana. Kwambia unakula nini?
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy. Yes. How does it taste? Good.
Yes.
Okay. How good? Just nicely.
Yes.
Okay. Enjoy.
Thank you.